All right, so let's be real. There's a lot that goes into preparing for labor, birth, and becoming a parent for the first time. But sometimes success isn't about what you add, but what you let go of. So, today we're going to go through the 5 things that you should absolutely quit if you want to birth like a boss. Let's get it. Hey there, I'm Stephanie, your go to certified lactation consultant and doula. And I'm here to help you get ready for your big day and to make that first breastfeeding moment a beautiful experience. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I'm here to help guide you every step of the way. Today, we're talking about something essential, knowing when to let go. That's right. We're digging into the things you need to quit in order to birth like a boss. Okay, so the first one up is to quit overloading yourself with information. I know it is so tempting, right? Googling every little detail about pregnancy and labor and reading every single article on every forum. But here's the thing, you don't need to know everything. Yes, knowledge is power, but too much information can be overwhelming and even a bit scary. So, stick to reputable sources, pick a few good books, and then lean on trusted experts like me. It'll keep your mind clear and focused. Okay, number 2 is quit comparing your journey to others. Now, I know before you even say it, but let me just get this out. I know that social media makes it so easy to compare yourself to every other pregnant mom out there. But remember, every pregnancy and every body is different. Your journey is all yours. And comparing yourself to someone else is only going to lead to unnecessary stress and self-doubt. So, quit the comparison game, mama. Focus on what your body is doing and celebrate it. Okay, so number 3 is quit doubting your body's ability. And this one, y'all, this one is so big. Our culture, for some reason, it tends to create this fear around birth, but your body is made for this, literally. Instead of doubting whether you can handle labor or worrying about if you're strong enough, try to focus on trusting your body's power. Positive affirmations can be a real game changer here. So remind yourself daily, I'm strong, I'm capable, and I'm ready. And trust me, that confidence will carry you through. Number 4 is taking on everyone's opinions. You'll hear all kinds of advice, whether you ask for it or not. Everyone has a story or a tip for how you should give birth. But at the end of the day, it's about your experience. So listen to your trusted healthcare provider, take in advice that resonates with you, but let go of the opinions that don't. This is your journey. Okay, number 5 is quit underestimating the power of rest. Listen, you're growing a whole human being, which is quite literally the most amazing job in the world. So it's okay to let yourself rest. Quit pushing yourself to do it all. The house doesn't have to be spotless, and it's okay if you're not cooking every single meal. Embrace the naps, the early nights, and even the extra Netflix. Hello. Resting isn't a sign of weakness. In this case, it's preparation. So there you have it. 5 things that you need to quit if you want to step into the labor room feeling empowered, calm, and ready to birth like a boss. Remember, birth is an incredible experience that's so personal and so unique. So make it yours by focusing on what truly matters and letting go of what doesn't. If you want even more tips and strategies to prepare for birth and breastfeeding, check out my Bump to Bundle Blueprint course. It's your complete guide to navigating the journey with confidence, from pregnancy to birth and postpartum to breastfeeding, all like a pro. And of course, if this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with another mom who may need to hear this. Remember, you've got this, mama.